Bernardino Luini was born circa 1480–82, died June 1532. He was a North Italian painter from Leonardo's circle during the High Renaissance. Both Luini and Giovanni Antonio Boltraffio were said to have worked with Leonardo directly. He was described as having taken as much from Leonardo as his native roots enabled him to comprehend. Consequently, many of his works were attributed to Leonardo. He was known especially for his graceful female figures with elongated eyes, called Luinesque by Vladimir Nabokov.